Welcome to our tutorial on efficiently deleting every other row in Excel. We'll explore two methods, one using the filter feature for a manual approach, and another utilizing a VBA macro for an automated solution. Let's begin with the first method, which involves creating a helper column next to your data. This column will use the mod and row functions to identify even and odd rows, which we can then filter and delete. Start by typing =mod row 2 into the first cell adjacent to your dataset. This formula will generate a 0 for every even row and a 1 for every odd row, starting from the row number it's placed in. After pressing enter, use the fill handle to drag the formula down the helper column, aligning it with each row in your dataset. With your helper column ready, navigate to the Data tab and click the Filter command. This will add drop-down arrows to the headers of your columns, enabling you to filter the rows. Click the filter arrow in the helper column header and check the box for 0 to hide all even rows. This will display only the odd rows, which we want to keep. Now that all even rows are hidden, select the visible odd rows by clicking on the header of the helper column. Right-click your selection and choose Delete Row to remove them from your dataset. Once you've deleted the necessary rows, click the filter arrow in the helper column again and select All to show all rows. Then, click the Clear Filter option to disable the filter. With the deletion complete, you can now remove the helper column by selecting it and right-clicking to choose Delete. For a faster, automated approach, let's move on to method 2, which uses a VBA macro to delete every other row. This method is particularly useful for large datasets and can save you a lot of time. To start, go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic for Applications editor, insert a new module by clicking Insert, and then Module. This is where you'll write your macro code. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module window. This code will allow you to select a range and automatically delete every other row within that range. After pasting the code, save it by clicking File, Menu, and then clicking Save command in the VBA editor. Go back to your Excel worksheet and press Alt plus F8 to open the Macro dialog box. Select Delete every other row and click Run. When prompted, use your mouse to select the range of rows where you want to delete every other row. The macro will handle the rest. After running the macro, observe the result. Every other row within your selected range should now be deleted, leaving you with a clean and organized dataset. Congratulations! You've successfully learned two methods for deleting every other row in Excel. These skills will streamline your data management tasks and improve your overall productivity. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Happy analyzing!